In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and reinstall WordPress in Hostinger. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, from start to finish, ensuring you can complete it efficiently and without any hitches. So let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to the WordPress section of your Hostinger account. This is your control center for managing your WordPress installation. Once there, you'll need to click on the Update button if any updates are visible. Keeping WordPress updated is crucial for security and performance, and doing this ensures you're not missing out on important improvements before making any changes. Next, you will see the option to reinstall. Click on it. This action allows you to start fresh with a clean installation, which is often necessary for troubleshooting or updating your setup. Moving forward, click on Website to access the main panel where all the website configurations are handled. Now, inside this section, look for a button that says Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is the heart of your website operations, and from here, you'll scroll down until you see another website option. Select it again and you'll be redirected to a different area. Here, you'll find an Auto Installer tab. By clicking on this, you tap into a handy feature that simplifies the process of installing and managing applications like